के साथ, राइट?
मीडिया है शशांक यहाँ
बिल्कुल,
पर,
दिक्कत
आपको पता ही है।
नहीं, मीडिया
Yes,
अपनी है। सब समझते हैं लोग।
ऑलराइट।
सर काम यहाँ
बिल्कुल,
दिखता है सर,
देखिए,
कोशिश
देखिए,
ये-
एक मेरे दिगन भाई थे, वो कहते थे कि इरादे रोज बनते हैं, इरादे टूट जाते हैं, पर अजमेर वही जाते हैं जिन्हें ख्वाजा बुलाते हैं।
वाह क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां।
और और कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा है कि मैं सबको इसमें एक डिस्कवरी, और क्योंकि वो इस दुनिया में नहीं है अब, लेकिन मुझे पता है जहाँ भी होंगे मस्त होंगे, बट मुझे पता है कि वो जो ख्वाजा हैं वो हम ही हैं, क्योंकि हमें ही टिकट करानी है और हमें ही जाना है, कोई आने वाला नहीं है।
इसलिए मैंने बाबा कहता हूँ, समझ गए आप? बाबा
डूड
यहाँ
बाबा,
डूड
डूड बाबा, अ न्यू यूनिक नेम, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इनको माइक देने की जरूरत नहीं है। द यंगेस्ट डायरेक्टर, सबसे मुझे पता है कि ये बहुत बेकार रहता है, क्योंकि जब भी जैसे करीना से पूछा जाता है कि सलमान और शाहरुख में से कौन था बढ़िया सा काम करने वाला, तो लेकिन आपसे पहला क्वेश्चन यही है कि सबसे ज्यादा किसने तंग किया? आई नो कि आप आदित्य का नाम लेंगे, बट फिर भी आई एम आस्किंग यू।
No, no, I'll answer you after a minute. I want to thank to everyone, my Carry On Kuttu team. Thank you for your support. Without your support, nothing is possible. Thank you, Dilip sir. Thank you, everyone. Carry On Kuttu team especially. Thank you, media, for being here. And I'm, I just want to know your feedback. What do you think about the trailer?
जोरदार तालियों से बता दीजिए।
Thank you so much. This is a long journey. I really can't tell in a minutes and hours. So obviously, making a Carrion Kutto is like a 3 years journey. Now I'm turning 13, 6 months. When I started, I was a kid and like I was learning everything. I was experimenting. Yeah. And what was your question?
यस, माय
Yeah.
क्वेश्चन इज, इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा किसने परेशान किया?
No, they are very disciplined actors, and I've never experienced such things.
हाउ मच यू पेड
No,
टू से ऑल दिस? नो?
No, I really, I'm really proud of everyone here who's here and everyone Carry On Kutto team member. They are very disciplined. I still remember every day. There was nothing like that. I mean, they're all disciplined people. Seriously.
Okay. Ashok sir, you know,
Really proud of you guys.
we have been asking very funny question, and it's a little funny conversation, but this is a quite serious question I'm asking to you, because you know, Indian film industry is known as a star driven industry where these superstars are everything. You know, in this industry where which is a superstar driven industry, जब आप ऐसी फिल्में बनाते हैं एक कन्विक्शन के साथ, तो थोड़ा सा डर भी रहता है कि पता नहीं ये ऐसी फिल्में चल पाएंगे कि नहीं। What was your motivational force? मतलब आपको ऐसा क्या ने हमेशा रखा कि नहीं ये फिल्म जरूर बननी चाहिए?
Uh, there was no such thought behind like making this film. It's totally I was following the instinct, and storytelling is the biggest star I feel. I mean today's time has changed completely, and I'm really lucky. Like I'm born in that time where I can access to the camera. I mean throughout my life I was like struggling to find a camera. I have worked on a camera where like PD 170, you know, और उनसे मैंने चुरा के फिल्में बनाई हैं, शॉर्ट फिल्में बनाई हैं. So I feel there is no star kind of thing like was there in my head. The one thing was really big pressure that you have to tell the story, which like going to be seen by the audience, obviously. And I mean that's what I do.
And this is the last question I'm asking to you. After that, we will open it to the press to ask. What one thing audience will find in Carry On Kutto जो किसी दूसरी फिल्म में उन्हें आज तक देखने को नहीं मिला?
That's a good question. See, while making a Carry On Kutto is one of the major thing that I have discovered. It's about following the dream in a very small space. And as a small towner, I can completely relate to this story. So if I can relate, then everyone can relate, because it's very nostalgic movie. I mean, it will remind you about your days which you don't want to talk about. It deals with your inner psyche. It deals with your inner urge that you never say to anyone. So I feel like it's going to reach. It's going to create some new audience.
All right, I think let's have a huge round of applause for the complete team here. And with this, it's open for the media to ask the question. Just one small request: do introduce yourself, your name, and which media you belong to, and then you can ask the question. Whomsoever you want to ask the question, I request the PR team to please help us with the mic as well. Yeah, so you can just raise your hand and ask the questions. Over to media.
मेरा सवाल अशोक और शशांक का दोनों से है। जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन। सेंसर का रवैया कैसे आपकी फिल्म के प्रति कैसा रहा?
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल रहा और वो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह हमसे कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं और अच्छा लग रहा है कि मेरे ख्याल से कुछ चेंज ही है कि वो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
Okay, I'll answer this question. There's a saying like, अकेले अकेले देखो हम साथ साथ हैं, है ना? अकेले अकेले देखो हम साथ साथ हैं. So I mean, censor will be definitely going to be very supportive. Hopefully.
My question to director Saab is, since at young age you have done very good movie, what are your expectations from this movie? And can you share little experience apart from the making short films? What is your experience earlier?
I want to see your face.
Here, I'm sitting in front.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. See, making Carry On Kutto was a very different experience because it's a independent film completely, and it's making an independent film is very challenging in India, of course, and to bring everything on board and to fight every day. It's a we have shot this movie in 68 days, and it's really when I talk about this, like it's shot in 68 days, they laugh. This is not an independent film. I said, this is what the experience is.
I wanted to know your experience. With
Before this
whom
movie,
you
yeah,
have worked,
I was making a lot of short films, and I was making a lot of experimenting with films. Even I have shot movie with cell phone camera, and my first movie was with Nokia 170. There was a one camera. I don't remember exactly, but I shot one 3-minute film, and I sent it to this. There was one world festival was happening. I made that. That was my first film. And so I see this is my, I guess, 21st film. The other 20 films were like with me. And probably you'll find soon on YouTube or some other channels.
we enjoyed music also very good. And we are expecting music director also to be there on the stage. Music director.
Music director, where is
Because-
Rishabh, Himanshu, Vayu?
Vayu,
They are-
Himanshu.
Please. They are like discovery for this film.
Since
They are
it is
underground
music,
bands.
music launch also we have. to
Yes,
ask
yes.
them.
Can where is Vayu? Oh,
Vayu, come yaar. Vayu,
Bambole.
आजा.
yes, he's here.
थोड़ी म्यूजिकल जोरदार तालियां हो जानी चाहिए एवरीबॉडी.
जो गाना अभी आपने सुना था, जो बज रहा था, वो बम्बोले पी के सेट हूँ, वो वायु ने लिखा है और गाया है और
इसलिए तो उनको स्टेज पे बुलवाया, इतना अच्छा कंपोज किया उन्होंने. बाकी कंपोजिशन के बारे में बताइए आप.
Please.
हाय।
हेलो।
नहीं, मैंने तो एक ही गाना बनाया है, वो जो बजा था। तो बाकी सारे गाने आप लोगों ने किए, तो आप बताएं तो अच्छा होगा।
नमस्कार। मैं ऋषभ, शिवम और एक और बंदा है RHS, हम लोग का ग्रुप का नाम है। हाँ तो वो अभी घर गया हुआ है। काफ़ी सालों से हम लोग काम कर रहे थे इस पे और बहुत ही एक्सपेरिमेंटल चीज़ हमें क्रिएट करनी थी क्योंकि उनका विजन ही बहुत डिफरेंट था और कुछ ऐसा देना था जिसमें आज का मॉडर्न फील भी आए, प्लस हम एक सिंप्लिसिटी से जुड़े रहें अपने। तो धीरे धीरे रज्जो भैया, एक बारात का गाना भी है, रीता रानी, तो थोड़ा हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट करा और कुछ नया चीज़ निकाल के लेके आए। सो दिस वाज द जर्नी।
Hello. Yeah, good evening to all. This is Raj, member of the press. Yeah, I'd like to ask director of the movie, is this a art movie or commercial movie?
Can I see your face?
Is this an
Okay.
art movie or commercial movie, which we can classify?
See, this is not a, like, I really can't discriminate between art movie and commercial movie. And it's a movie. That's more important for us, for, I think, because this a it's really difficult to judge about the film like whether it's an art movie or commercial movie. Movies which makes money, that we call it commercial film. Art movie which like the little what offbeat, they are art. I mean, after all, they are all movies. So I really don't feel it's